Hello, I'm Felix Austin, a plant breeder at F1 Seed Limited. We're here in Suffolk in the UK at our wheat breeding site. In our country, we're very concerned about pressure from yellow rust disease. The UK climate is very suitable for the evolution of new races of yellow rust, but genetic resources are being depleted, and we are having to rely on just a few sources of resistance. We need international collaboration in order to solve this challenge. Yellow rust is evolving rapidly in the UK, causing a boom and bust cycle of variety failure that needs to be addressed. Here is a recent case with a very high-yielding feed wheat. You can see just how susceptible this variety has become just 2 years after commercial entry. If our genetic resources are not deployed carefully, events like this will increase, causing multiple variety failures. This puts UK growers at high risk. To monitor yellow rust development in the UK, we support an initiative by Agri, a private agricultural products distributor. Wheat lines that contain known resistance genes are planted in a network of 14 sites across the country. We are fully engaged with this effort, working with Agri to monitor the development of yellow rust across the country. Our goal is to deploy a range of resistant wheat lines from diverse sources. Here is an example of one of our promising lines. The plot on the left is a leading UK line. The plot on the right is the child of that line, but with significantly less yellow rust. We are now working closely with CIMMYT to share data and wheat lines with good adult plant resistance that will benefit the rest of the world, not just the UK. We also test CIMMYT's advanced lines to see how they fare against the UK's yellow rust populations, which are forever evolving. CIMMYT's spring wheat material is planted in a nursery next to our UK winter wheat breeding lines. When the seed arrives from Mexico, we load the seed into cassettes. Then the seed is sown using a wintersteiger cassette system. GPS technology allows us to accurately drill thousands of individual rows of plants in a few hours. To test how the plants respond to disease pressure, we plant several rows of susceptible varieties. This increases the level of yellow rust in our fields. We are now making crosses between resistant UK lines and CIMMYT lines in collaboration with pathologists from CIMMYT. All of this is coming together into a long-term strategy for sharing genetic material with CIMMYT. Our long-term goal is to help farmers by creating more resistant varieties across the globe and deploying these resistant varieties in a way that will reduce the threat from resistance breakdown. The contributions from F1 Seed Limited are entirely self-funded. We hope to see more collaboration between the private sector and the public sector, along with organisations like the BGRI. The contribution of donors such as the UK Department for International Development and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation are essential. By working together for the common benefit of growers and those who depend on wheat for income and food security worldwide, we can beat hunger.